Hello, I'm Lee Wagers. I'm director of the Tax Crisis Center. It's sort of a place with problems that they can't get fixed elsewhere. I'm a retired tax attorney. I'm both a CPA and attorney. I practiced for 30, 40 years. I handle every type of case. Done thousands of tax returns, done tax appeals, done tax law, sued the government, etc. I've spent a lifetime learning what I know, and I retired, but retirement's boring, so here I am. I took on a case recently that I think illustrates what we do. I work with a local attorney who had a client that was in default on their bills. They were broke. And she had a tax problem, so he asked me to help him on the tax problem. It turned out it was a 60-year-old woman who'd been scammed. Her husband died, and she went to our time and immediately was seduced, if you will, by a Nigerian scammer out of about $150,000. She was vulnerable, and so to maintain this relationship, she cleaned out her 401k. She had to pay taxes on all that. It was not pretty. At any rate, when the smoke cleared, her money was gone. She had to pay taxes on the income she had taken in from the 401k with penalties, and she still owed about $16,000. That's when I got her, and she was desperate, so she hired Optima to try to help her, which didn't help. So I got her. I saw the 16 grand debt, was trying to help her avoid collection, do what I can. So I went through all of the facts in her case and realized that it was a business scam. She was paying large amounts, I mean like $40,000 worth of business expenses for a fake business, but still to her it was a real business. So we filed amended returns that deducted all those expenses as legitimate business expenses in her mind, and created an almost $25,000 refund. The $16,000 she owed was negated. The $25,000 refund was added. There was also $2-3 grand state refund. At any rate, that's kind of what we do. We're sort of a place of last resort. We don't know if we can help you. I can't do everything for everybody. But in certain cases, what I found, if you go to people that the taxpayer representation firms I've seen just play defense. They just say, oh, well, we'll handle the calls, we'll get you a payment plan, we'll try to do an offer and compromise, yada, yada. But those are all defensive moves. They don't take the time to go to the source of the tax, see if they can change it. And I'm proud of what we did for this woman, disappointed in what Optima didn't do for this woman. At any rate, that's kind of a short story of who we are. You can send data to us. You can elect the attorney-client privilege by paying us $1. It doesn't matter. So that we won't scam you or sell your name. All that's not of no interest to us. What our interest is, can we actually help people? I love the challenges. I love to use almost 50 years of experience to help people. I can't do it in every case, but in some cases I can, and I sleep nights very well when I can. Anyway, with the Tax Crisis Center, if you've got a problem and no one else can solve, give us a shot. Maybe we can help. Later.